Hi, I'm Sam with my magic paint can at Beaufort Hardware and Paint. We get asked all kinds of questions. Here's another one. Often we get asked, can I paint over varnished or sealed surfaces without sanding? Let's shake it up real quick. What do you say, magic paint can? If you can sand, you should, but if not, you can put this right over varnished surfaces. So come see me, Sam, in my magic paint can at Beaufort Hardware and Paint.